little song. Well, 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 well. When I was a little bitty baby, me mammy would smash me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. When I was a little bitty baby, me mammy would have smashed me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home.
Ha ha! Gee, Fats, you mean your mama used to smash you too?
Yeah, Beach Bear, but that's just my mama's way of saying she loves me. You know, sometimes I get to thinking about my home back in Louisiana. In fact, I can see my mama right now bending over a hot stove. But I can't see the stove. They used to call her Big Mama the sweetest woman that ever walked. I remember she gave me a chicken for my birthday. Old Frank.
Old Frank.
Yep. I used to make him pulling me around the backyard of my wagon. Till one day he keeled over. And my mama, she came out and wiped the tears from my eyes. Said, "Don't worry, honey. Old Frank sure gonna taste good with them dumplings on him tonight." My mama was crazy. Raised in Louisiana. That might have had something to do with it. She worked hard all her life, though. Didn't get much education. I remember one day, after failing a test, teacher sent me home with a note to my mama saying, "Fats say he didn't know who signed the Declaration of Independence." My mama slapped me across the face and said, "Boy, if you signed the thing, you better tell that teacher you did."
You were kidding something.
Yeah, I remember my home in Louisiana. I can see it now. Me and my family sitting out on the porch right after supper, listening to the harmony of the crickets and a field hand singing this song as they came home from work.
The weather makes you lazy, especially when it's hot and hazy, and you gotta lay down a while. Find a big magnolia, sprawl out in the clover. Now you got that natural Cajun style.
And you ain't gotta worry none. You can just lay back, son. It's mostly just according to the way you feel when you're down in Louisiana.
You won't believe it in the springtime. Good times and bad, it's the best you ever had, y'all. And I pray God bless this state of mine. Oh, going back down to Louisiana. We'll catch a mud bug and you cook him in a cup in the springtime when the water's high. You can catch a tan on the Amite River sand. Uncle Sonny take us for a ride.
And you ain't gotta worry none. You can just lay back, son. It's mostly just according to the way you feel when you're down in Louisiana.
Oh, won't you help us sing the thing, y'all? You won't believe it in the springtime. can't wait to get my big, fat, lazy behind propped up under a big magnolia tree, sucking on crawfish heads and being free. Yes, sir.